Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have m minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to m to the power of 4. And now we solve this problem for the real values of m. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we rearrange this equation and we move this m to the power of 4 in the left hand side, and it will be written as m minus 3 and its whole power 4 minus m to the power of 4 equals to 0. And now in the next step, here we write this equation as m minus 3 whole square and its whole square minus we write this as m square and its whole square equals to 0. So after that we use here the nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we take m minus 3 whole square equals to a and m square equals to b. And when we use this nice formula to this term, so our above term will be written as a minus b. So here our a is m minus 3 square minus b is m square into a plus b. So here our a is m minus 3 square plus b is m square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So after using this formula we get these factors. These are multiplied by each other. So now we convert these two factors in two cases, so that our first case is we just take m minus 3 whole square minus m square equals to 0, and the second case is we take m minus 3 whole square plus m square equals to 0. And now we call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So here we solve these two equations and we find the values of m. So now we first focus on equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we have m minus 3 whole square minus m square equals to 0. So we first copy down this equation as m minus 3 whole square minus m square equals to 0. So here we again use this nice formula. So when we use this formula again on this term, then it will be written as in this form. So here we have our a is m minus 3 and our b is m only. So first we have a minus b, so we write it as m minus 3 minus b is m into m minus 3 plus m, and this whole equals to 0. So after that here we need a little bit simplifications, and we know that this minus m and positive m are cancelled by each other, and we get minus 3 into we add these two terms, it will becomes 2m minus 3 equals to 0. So here we divide both of the sides by minus 3, then we easily get 2m minus 3 equals to 0. So here we get the value of m is 2m is equals to 3, and finally we have our m equals to 2 over 3. So this is the our first real root of this question, and now we need to solve our equation number 2. Now we solve case number 2. So this is our case number 2. First we copy down this statement here. So here we just write from equation number 2. So our equation number 2 is m minus 3 whole square plus m square equals to 0. So now here first we open this nice square identity, and we know that it is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 times of a into b plus m square equals to 0. So here we need some simplification, and we add m square plus m square and we get 2 times of m square, and this is 2 times of 3 becomes minus 6m, and 3 square becomes 9 equals to 0. So now we have, this is the quadratic equation. So here first we check is this quadratic equation has real roots or not, because we will solve this problem for real roots only. So that here first we check the roots of this equation by using the discriminant formula. So here first we write the coefficients. So its coefficients are a equals to 2, b equals to minus 6, and c equals to 9, and our discriminant formula is written as delta equals to b squared minus 4 times of ac. So this is the our delta, and it is called the discriminant formula. So now we substitute the values of a, b and c here, and we see here this is b square, so our b is minus 6, it will becomes minus 6 square, minus 4 times of a is 2, and c is 9. And after that we need some simplification here, and we write it as minus 6 square equals to plus 36, and this is 9 2s are 18, and 18 4s are 72. So we subtract 36 minus 72, and it will be written as minus 36. So this shows that our delta is less than 0, and we know that if delta is less than 0, it means that this quadratic equation has no real roots, or this equation has complex roots. So we just write it here, it has no real roots, so that we rejected the case number 2, and we have only one solution of this question, and it is m equals to 3 over 2. So we copy down this solution here. So our finally the value of m equals to 3 over 2. And now we check this value, is this value satisfied our given question statement or not. So that first we copy down the question statement. So our question statement is, so we copy down this statement for to check. So we have m minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to m to the power of 4, and now we substitute the value of m here. So we have 3 over 2 minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to 3 over 2 to the power of 4. So here we take the LCM in the left hand side, and we have 2 into 3 minus 6 and its whole power 4 equals to 3 over 2 and its whole power 4. So this implies that 3 minus 6 equals to minus 3 by 2 and its whole power 4 equals to 3 over 2 and its whole power 4. So minus, if we have the exponent of negative sign is an even number, so it will become positive. So we write it as 3 over 2 and its whole power 4 equals to 3 over 2 and its whole power 4. So you clearly see that the left hand side equals to right hand side. It means that m equals to 3 over 2 satisfied our given question statement, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.